Hello lovelies, welcome again to Wendy's Style. I have short haircuts that are a great way to really maintain youthful appearance, and for the older women that want to stay on trend, it's always important to choose a haircut like this that works well with your hair texture. And one thing about this hairstyle is a practical and stylish choice, and is a haircut that's easy to manage and is ideal for women that don't want stress. So you can see the haircut can help to conceal signs of aging, such as the thinning hair, or will I say the gray strands. Okay, so just one thing about the style is that is a haircut that will really fit all face shape and hair type, or will I say the lifestyle factors. So just take a good look at those styles and let us know your mind in the comment section below. If you really want a hairstyle that will showcase your youthful energy and confidence, this haircut today is for you. It's an anti-age haircut for the black matured women, and it's also a wash and go hairstyle, and a cut that will take many years of your age. So if you really want a style that can be playful and fun and can work well for different coil patterns and hair density, please watch this video to the end and let me know your minds in the comment section below. One thing about the style is really it can really take many years of your age and give you that elegant look you want. So I want you guys to check out those haircuts that will draw attention to your face, and it's a haircut that will make you look more defined. It's a beautiful, sleek and tapered haircut that is a great option for women that want to look sophisticated, and it's a hairstyle that is flattering, for those with the oval face and round faces. I just want you guys to just check out the styles yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time on this channel. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever I upload a new video. So it's a haircut that will accentuate your eyes and your lips and give you that clean, polished look you ever wanted, and also add height and volume for every black woman. See, I have short hairstyles that can accentuate your face shape, and it's a haircut that will give you a classy look, by highlighting your best features and creating a polished, put together appearance. So when choosing hairstyle like this, always have in mind to consider your face shape and your hair texture to really find the look that will really work for you. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy's Style. Still look for more beautiful short hairstyles coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.
Can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots, but an arm of flesh. No man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots, but an arm of flesh. No man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist, though. It can never ever exist, though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much.